Good day students, this is mathematics class for grade 9 chapter 1 number systems. In this video session, let us understand the square roots, cube roots, fourth roots and in general nth roots of a number. Okay, what exactly is a square root of a number? What is square root of a number? We will have a pair of numbers where one is the square of other. For example, 4 is equal to 2 into 2, or we can write 2 square. Using words, we express this in two ways. We can say 4 is the square of 2. 4 is the square of 2. And then another way is 2 is the square root of 4. What about 2 into 2 into 2 or 2 to the power 3, which is equal to 8. So here we call 8 is called the cube of 2. So this was square root and this is now the cube. When we talk about square, we also talk about square root, isn't it? Similarly, when we talk about cube, there has to be a cube root, isn't it, students? Yes. Now we know that 8 is the cube of 2, or we can say 2 is the cube root of 8, and this cube root of 8 is written in this way. So this is the symbol. Same as the square root, we use this symbol to denote the cube root of 8. Is this clear, students? So 2 is the cube root of 8. Similarly, we have fourth root, fifth root, sixth root. For example, fourth root, that is 2 to the power 4 is equal to 16. 2 to the power 5, this is the fifth root, is equal to 32. 2 to the power 6, which is equal to 64. Okay, so this is the sixth root. Here, in the symbol form, we can write it as 2 is the fourth root of 16. And here 2 is the fifth root of 32. Next, 2 is equal to the sixth root of 64 in this way. Now I told you 2 to the power 4 is equal to 16. Just understand, students. So in general, I take an example like 2 to the power 4 is equal to 16. So here 2 is equal to fourth root of 16, isn't it? Yes. Now here we can also write like this. 2 is equal to fourth root of 16, where 2 represents A and 16 represents B and 4 represents N. So A is equal to 2, B is equal to 16 and N is equal to 4. So here 16 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 That is 16 is B, isn't it? 16 is B. So let us first write B is equal to, what is it? A into A into A, so on to n times. So this can be written as 2 is the fourth root of 16. Similarly, this can be written as b is equal to a to the power n, isn't it? So here this can be written as 16 2 to the power 4. Similarly, 16 is equal to 2 to the power 4, isn't it? 16 is equal to 2 to the power 4. So similarly, I have written b is equal to a to the power n. So which implies a is equal to nth root of b. This is called as the nth root of b. A is equal to nth root of b. That is, if 4 is equal to 2 square, then 2 is equal to square root of 4, isn't it, students? Okay. Next, if in general, if b is equal to a to the power n, then a is equal to nth root of b, where a and b is greater than 0. Is this clear, students? In the next video session, let us study some identities relating to the square roots which are useful in various ways. Thank you, students.